Hello everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to create a lesson from a plain text in the platform SAVVIO.AI. After you sign in, on the left side of the screen, you see the session bar. And by clicking on the button New Lesson, a new page opens up. There are 4 types of sessions here: upload file, enter text, align, and AI generate. Here we click on Enter Text. In this tab, we can simply type down any text we want or copy-paste the text from another place. Now I copy and paste my text. And if we're happy with the entered text, we can click on Create Lesson. Here, a new page opens with the title Text Preview, and you can enter a title for your session. And also, you can edit your text if you're not happy with it. Then you click on Confirm. Now, in the session sidebar, you see that a new card has been added to our session list. By clicking on this card, you see the information for this session. You can click on Edit Content to edit your content if you need to, or you can click on Start Processing. By starting the process, the platform would detect the language level, and it produces an audio file for your text. Here, we want the platform to detect the language automatically, so we click on Start Processing. The process starts immediately. We see that a real-time pricing is shown for the process. The language detection detected the language as German with a level A1 text. Then we click on Review Transcript. In the new page, we can look at the transcript again, and we can listen to the generated audio.
Über Deutschland. Deutschland ist ein Land in Europa.
And if we are happy with the generated audio, we click on Approve Transcript. And then we click on Continue to Chunking. Here, you can divide your text into smaller pieces, and each piece would be considered as a single page for your lesson. In order to divide the text into smaller pieces, you simply click on the words. In order to make the first chunk, I click on the last word for that chunk. So from the beginning of the text to the word Deutsch, I want to have the first chunk. So I click on Deutsch. And I want to have the second chunk from the word das to the end of the sentence. So I click on the last word. We see the numbers appears next to the last word of the chunks. Then we click on Save and Continue. Here we can select title for each chunk. You can select title by clicking on the last word of the considered title for the chunk. For example, here, I click on this word. And from the beginning of the chunk up to this word would be considered as the title for that chunk. Now we click on Save and Continue. Here, a new page opens up for content generation. Here you can configure exercises by clicking on this button. You see that there are several types of exercises, including vocabulary, multi-choice questions, word definition, filling blank and true-false exercises. You can select each of these exercise types. When we are happy with the exercise selection, we click on Generate All Content. Since we didn't change any exercise type, we click on Use Defaults. We see that the generation has started with real-time pricing. If you want more information about the process status, you can click on Pipeline Progress, and here you see the details for each chunk generation. Now, the content generation has finished. In order to see the generated exercises, you can click on View Exercises. And if you are not happy with any of them, you can click on Edit button and edit the exercises. In order to view the lesson, click on View Lesson. Here you can see the generated lesson and also the generated exercises. This was how you can generate lessons from plain text in SAVVIO.AI. Thanks for your attention.